Hello, this is Take. Today I'm going to make Ehomaki sushi, a lucky sushi roll from Osaka that is traditionally eaten on Setsubun February 3rd. Setsubun marks the seasonal turning point before the start of spring in Japan. On this day, people throw roasted soybeans to drive away misfortune and evil spirits, while praying for good health and happiness. This bean throwing custom dates back to the Muromachi period. As they throw the beans, people chant, "Oni out, fortune in." The Oni in Japan needs folklore, are supernatural beings similar to the demon seen in the popular Japanese anime Demon Slayer. Another important Setsubun custom is eating Ehomaki sushi. It is a thick sushi roll eaten while facing the lucky direction of the ear, believed to be the direction of the Toshigami, the deity of the ear. It is traditionally eaten silently and in one piece while making a wish. Originally, Ehomaki was a local Osaka tradition dates back to the Edo period, and it spread across Japan in the 1990s, when convenience stores began selling it nationwide. First, let's make the sushi rice. This time, just mix the rice with the red sushi vinegar. Next, make Dashimaki tamago, a Japanese rolled omelet. Add 3 tablespoons of white dashi stock to 2 eggs and mix gently. The dashi adds umami and helps create a soft, fluffy texture. If you don't have dashi, you can simply use plain eggs. Using the square frying pan, cook the egg in layers and gently rolling it as it's set to create the classic Dashimaki shape. Remove from the pan while still slightly tender for the best fluffy texture. Finally, place the omelette on a sunoko, a bamboo mat, and shape it neatly. Dashimaki tamago can be savoy or slightly sweet depending on the region and the cook. Prepare fillings: crab stick, surimi, tuna turtle, shred pickled daikon radish, and avocado. Cut the cucumber into thin, long strips. Slice the Dashimaki tamago into thin strips as well. If you like, prepare some salmon and cut it into thin strips too. Nourishing salmon is a staple in our household. Place a seed of nori on the bamboo sushi mat, then spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice over it. Starting from the front edge, lay down a sisal leaf first, then arrange the fillings on top. It's fun to visualize the cross-section as you place each ingredient. Leave a small space at the top edge of the rice so the nori can seal neatly. This also helps keep the fillings centered. Begin rolling from the front edge, pressing gently but firmly. Finish tucking in the nori edge to seal the roll. Roll slowly and evenly shaping the sushi into a neat, compact log. Now for the best part is the inside. Traditionally, cutting Ehomaki is considered bad luck. However, I cut mine today so you can see the cross-section.
Wow!
And honestly, one whole roll is a bit too much for a senior like me. As you can see, the inside looks beautiful and it turned out absolutely delicious. It is traditionally eaten silently and in one piece while making a wish. If you love Japanese food history travel in Japan or simple science-backed cooking tips, make sure to subscribe for more videos.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
ありがとうございます。Enjoy cooking!